I would like to address how everyone's saying I'm an organism. But look at this. What classifies as an organism? Oh wait, I can't spell. Organism. What classifies as an organism? Any living thing that has an organized structure. So, are humans organisms? Humans are multicellular, complex organisms. What about animals? Are animals let's see. This is not what I wanted. Are animals organisms? An organism would therefore be any animal, plant, fungus, whatever that says, bacterium, or whatever that says, on Earth. Which means, wait, is a hydra an organism? It's an organism. So everyone is an organism here. You are an organism. I am an organism. Everyone's an organism. Can we all be friends? Can we all be friends and just accept that I look like this? Can we just all be friends? I'm cool because I can shapeshift. You human organisms can't shapeshift like I can. So honestly, I'm cooler than you. Literally just made a video. I'm lucky I didn't post it yet because Kai said I'm different because where's Safari? Because I'm a genus. Are humans genus? Are they humans or genus? In the human family tree, the genus Homo. I don't know what else you want from me.